Welcome to this beginner's guide to Google Ads. If you've ever wondered how businesses show their ads right at the top of Google search results, this video is for you. In the next 10 minutes, I'll walk you step by step through setting up your first campaign, targeting the right audience, adding tracking, and checking your results. So, let's dive right in. Google Ads is Google's advertising platform where you pay to show your ads on Google Search, YouTube, and partner websites. It works on an auction system where advertisers bid on keywords, and Google decides which ad to show based on bid amount, quality score, and relevance. The good news is, you don't need a huge budget to start. You can run ads even with a few dollars a day. First, go to ads.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Click on New Campaign. You'll be asked to choose your campaign goal, like sales, leads, website traffic, or brand awareness. For beginners, I recommend choosing website traffic or sales depending on your objective. You'll see options like search campaigns, ads that show on Google search results, display campaigns, banner ads on websites, shopping campaigns, product ads, video campaigns, YouTube ads. For our example, let's go with a search campaign since it's the simplest and most common for beginners. Next, name your campaign. Select the networks where you want your ads to appear. For beginners, uncheck Display Network and focus only on Search Network. Set your budget. This is how much you want to spend per day. For example, $10 per day. Then, choose your bidding strategy. If you're new, start with maximize clicks or maximize conversions, depending on your goal. Now it's time to set who sees your ad. Choose locations. Select the country, city, or even radius around a location. Choose language. If your audience speaks English, select English. Audience targeting. You can let Google show your ad to people actively searching for your keywords. Keywords are the heart of Google Ads. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find the right keywords with good search volume and lower competition. For example, if you sell shoes, keywords could be buy running shoes online or best sports shoes under $50. Avoid broad single words like shoes because they waste your budget. Now let's create the ad. Your ad has headline. Make it catchy and relevant. Example, best running shoes, free delivery today. Description, highlight benefits and call to action. Example, shop high-quality running shoes at discount prices. Order today and get fast delivery. Display URL, the link that appears under your ad. Example, www.myshoestore.com. Tracking is very important. Go to Tools and Settings. Conversions. Set up conversion tracking by adding a small code, pixel, to your website. This helps you know how many people clicked your ad, filled out a form, or made a purchase. Without tracking, you're just guessing. Once your campaign is live, check performance in the dashboard. Look at metrics like impressions, how many times your ad was shown, clicks, how many people clicked your ad, CTR, click-through rate, clicks divided by impressions, conversions, actual results like sales or sign-ups. Pause keywords that don't perform well and focus budget on the ones that bring conversions. And that's it. You've just learned how to set up and run your first Google Ads campaign, from creating an account, setting up targeting, adding keywords, writing ads, tracking, and analyzing performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more marketing tips. Thanks for watching.